we're having dinner with Mr. Oshiro, Mrs. Oshiro, and me and Robert. You know Robert. Robert,
Yes.
right?
Itu perlu translate ya? Ngerti?
Boleh.
Perlu.
Sopan.
Jadi bulan lalu beliau meeting, makan Mr. Oshiro, Mrs. Oshiro, beliau dan Robert.
Yeah.
Makan malam bareng.
And of course, there are so many people, but in the table, there's only 4 people. Yeah.
Jadi restoran besar, banyak orang yang haji, tapi cuma berempat dia di meja tersebut.
Yeah, Mr. Oshiro started saying, "Hey, Shiroma, Robert, you come here. You know, you have to know my story."
Sini, gue mau cerita. Lu harus tahu cerita gue.
Yeah. So he told us a lot of stories. He always say, you know, story has to be pure. You know, meaning
Needs to be what?
Pure.
Pure.
Pure, meaning good and bad. Not just good story, but bad story too.
Jadi dia mau cerita kalau cerita tuh harus ada yang ya baik buruknya apa adanya gitu, nggak usah ditutupi, pure, murni.
Yeah. So so we know about so he used to be a top distributor for Sony. You know, he had 300 employees in Okinawa. 300.
Dia distributor terbesar Sony, punya 300 employee, terbesar dan tersukses lah sebetulnya.
In this small island, 300. Yeah.
Di
Most,
Okinawa.
he hired most of the Okinawa people. Yeah. But I mean, so I asked him, but when Sony lost the economic business war between Panasonic and Sony lost.
Ya.
Sony kan kalah lawan Panasonic kan
Yeah.
saat itu.
When Sony lost, you know what happened to Mr. Oshiro's company?
Ketika Sony rugi, bangkrut gitu kan saat itu, apa yang terjadi pada perusahaannya Mr. Oshiro?
Yeah. So Sony cut Mr. Oshiro off without any notification, anything. Cut them off.
Jadi tiba-tiba si Sony itu memutus hubungan kerjasama tanpa ada kompensasi apapun dengan perusahaannya Mr. Oshiro. Dia kan perusahaan distribusi kan.
Yeah. So I asked Mr. Oshiro, hey, Mr. Oshiro, you always talk about Sony, but have you ever mad at Sony?
Dia tanya, Mr. Oshiro kan ceritamu tentang Sony nih, tapi kan lu diputus hubungan kerjasama tanpa pesangon, tanpa apapun itu. Lu pernah nggak marah tuh sama si Sony?
Mr. Oshiro said, never.
Nggak pernah.
Hebat ya.
I said,
Hatinya luar biasa.
yeah. I said, why?
Kenapa?
Yeah. Because so because he used to be a top distributor, he was given so much to Sony.
Karena kan dia udah memberi banyak banget ke Sony kan, dia top distributor.
When Mr. Oshiro is doing good, having lots of sales, Sony invites him to Tokyo, Osaka, even San Diego.
Ya, jadi ketika Mr. Oshiro perusahaannya top sales dan seterusnya diundang untuk kemana-mana kan, San Diego, Osaka, Tokyo dan seterusnya.
But when Sony lost the war with Panasonic, sales went down. Sony decided to cut Mr. Oshiro off.
Ya, pas kalah perang dagang lawan Panasonic, dia langsung memutus hubungan kerjasama dengan
That's why I asked him, Mr. Oshiro, have you ever mad? And Mr. Oshiro said, never. I said, why?
Pernah nggak lu marah? Nggak pernah. Tanya, kenapa?
And Mr. Oshiro said, hey, we have parents. If there is bad parents, you cannot hate them.
Jadi kita tuh punya orang tua. Kalau orang tua kita nggak bagus ya, kita nggak boleh membenci mereka.
But he said also, I learned so much from Sony.
Dan saya belajar banyak banget dari Sony.
But
Biasa ya.
he said, of course, Mrs. Oshiro and his children hated Sony one time.
Istrinya, anak-anaknya benci banget sama Sony.
Yeah, Mrs. Oshiro was laughing because, she said, hey, because of them, they were chased by Yakuza, yeah?
Jadi ya karena kejadian itu dia dikejar-kejar Yakuza. Why? Big debt?
Because big debt. Big debt.
Karena banyak karena
You know,
bangkrut juga bisnis perusahaan Oshiro kan.
I think I already shared this story. Yeah, the Yakuza story.
Oke.
Yeah, so he said, I understand, it's business. He always said, it's business.
Ini bisnis, gua pak juga nih just business.
Have you ever watched a movie called Godfather? Godfather? Godfather, mafia. They always
Yakuza,
kill each other's
Yakuza.
family. But they say, wise guys say, hey, it's business. It's nothing personal, business.
It's business, nggak ada personal.
Yeah. Mr. Oshiro says, hey, big company like Sony has to manage all the time. Has to, adapt generation, economics. That's why they're there still.
Ya, jadi saat itu Sony harus melakukan banyak keputusan kan, ya untuk ya mempertahankan Sony-nya kan, untuk beradaptasi dengan kondisi pasar dan seterusnya. Itulah kenapa Sony masih ada sampai sekarang.
So he said, so cutting people off, lay off, and
Pecat orang,
cutting contract.
memberhentikan, putus kontrak.
He said that's what I'm struggling now.
Ya, itu yang sedang saya perjuangkan sekarang.
Meaning he respects Sony,
Artinya dia sangat menghormati Sony.
but cutting people off, that's what Mr. Oshiro cannot do.
Tapi satu hal yang nggak bisa dilakukan oleh Mr. Oshiro adalah memecat orang lain, memecat tim, memecat staff.
Hebat ya. Padahal dia pernah diperlakukan seperti itu.
Yeah, he said that's his struggle.
Itulah
Sesuai.
Yeah, yeah. So
It's hard.
yeah, I had goosebumps when I hear this
Yeah.
because
Yeah,
I've seen it. We didn't really know why Mr. Oshiro always gives chance. We were in the meeting. Yeah, Mr. Oshiro always gives chance
chance.
Chance.
to
Mr. Oshiro
people,
selalu beri kesempatan ke orang.
opportunity. I know one time we were in the meeting, in the management group, and said, hey, this person misuses the money from Mr. Oshiro.
Jadi pernah suatu meeting nih ada satu orang yang pernah menyalahgunakan uang Mr. Oshiro.
Everyone's like, hey, we have to do something with this guy.
Kita harus melakukan sesuatu kepada orang ini.
Yeah. But only Mr. Oshiro said he gets mad, like,
Dia marah sih,
Okay.
dia marah sih.
okay, if I cut him off, where does he go?
Oke, kalau gue pecat dia mau kemana?
You guys can go any other companies because you guys are good.
Kalau yang gue pecat bisa cari perusahaan lain.
Sangat
Yang
tega
bagus.
itu ya.
But this person, if I cut him off, where does he go? No one would take him.
Kalau orang ini yang bodoh ini keluar mau kemana? Nggak ada yang mau terima dia.
And he says, we still say, I know, I understand, but hey, what are we gonna do? And he
Kita
said,
mau ngapain nih?
yeah, but he said, okay, whose company is this?
Oke, perusahaan siapa ini?
Okay, he's gonna stay.
Oke, dia akan stay.
Yeah. It happens all the time.
Terjadi, selalu dan terjadi.
But, last month, that was my first time I knew that. So I thought he was making emotional, decision. However, last month, that was my first time I knew he had struggled about that too. He knew what he should do, but he cannot do it.
Dia tahu sebenarnya harus pecat ini orang, cuman dia ya memang nuraninya ya, dia tuh struggle melakukan nurani antara perusahaan bisnis gitu.
Really good heart.
Yeah, so so Mr. Oshiro doesn't really talk about like his good part. I think he's different. He wants to bring lots of people to Okinawa and say, hey, we have big company, Enagic's global company, but he doesn't grab, say anything about, his good thing.
Dia nggak pernah ngomong tentang kebaikan dia sebenarnya, tapi memang dia sebenarnya tuh pengen banget mendatangkan
Banyak
sekali
orang.
orang datang ke sini ke rumahnya.
So, again, yeah, one more story. Yeah. There was a visitor from Japan, Okinawa, to Enagic office. He's not in Enagic. He has company, and he was visiting Enagic. So, it's like, okay.
Ada tamu yang datang ke Enagic, dia bukan orang Enagic,
Ya.
perusahaan lain.
Yeah. And actually, Okinawan people, they don't really know about Enagic.
Jadi sebenarnya Okinawa juga udah tahu tentang Enagic, karena yang kan direct selling.
Yeah, they know it's a big company,
Yeah,
but they
tahu.
don't know it's that big.
Dia tahu ini perusahaan besar, tapi nggak tahu seberapa besar sejatinya.
Yeah. But when I told this, businessman
Ketika saya kasih tahu ini orang,
that we just purchased a university,
kita baru aja beli universitas,
and he used to be owned by Prime Minister Abe.
that university is owned
Owned by Prime Minister Abe's organization.
Ya, jadi
After him.
ya itu universitasnya punya prime minister.
But he was assassinated. Prime Minister Abe. He was assassinated. Shinzo Abe.
Ibunya ditembak.
Yeah.
He's alive.
No, he's dead.
Oh, there. Last year or
2 years ago, I
2
think.
years ago?
Yeah, I think. Yeah. So that's why his organization became like big. So this university organization said, "Hey, please help." They were looking for someone to help, but who's gonna buy a university?
Oh, ano ba?
Jadi nyari pertolongan nih, tolong kan goyang tuh perusahaannya. Siapa yang mau beli universitas?
Yeah, but this, the head of, the organization, so Enagic High School, they were doing like baseball, and they were really good, and they're in the national league now. They saw it, sports, and I'm saying, they just made a high school 4 years ago, now in national league. What's going on? And they, the head of the organization of the university searched it in Arabic, in English, and all this, like articles, news about all the offices around the world, came up, and he said, okay, and he asked Mr. Oshiro, please help us. Mr. Oshiro said, it's a big purchase, yeah.
Really big
Right,
purchase.
I know. I know it's
The text.
yeah.
Jadi
Maybe, yeah, as-
let me translate.
Yeah.
Jadi ya ini pada minta ini ada lagi goyang kan, si yang tadi Petronista, terus mau dijual tuh kampusnya Ingur, Relas Simpang Siur tentang Enajik, ada SMA Enajik, dalam waktu singkat baseball timnya masuk ke National League gitu. Lalu si yayasan sekolah tersebut dia kepo, oh ternyata Enajik luar biasa gitu. Udah kita dikontak, tolong beli si Romi mikir
Disuruh beli universitas. Udah kayak beli apa ya?
Yeah.
ya kayak UPH dijual. Okay, and then after he was thinking for a while,
Yeah, taking a while, and of course, he said, "Okay, yeah." So I think there's another funny story about that, but maybe tomorrow. Yeah,
but the baseball court,
yeah, the base.
told me, I mean, it was like an empty yard, and then he came to that yard, and then okay, I buy it.
Yeah, crazy. So, what's funny is people around Mr. Oshiro. Yeah, Mr. Oshiro came to like really old baseball, not a field stadium, like the old
Ya
stadium.
tua banget juga saudari ya. Yang lucu tuh orang-orang temen-temen orang sekarang Oshiro kan diajak datang melihat a very old baseball stadium di Chiba.
Chiba, yeah, it's next to
University.
university. Yeah, but Mr. Oshiro started doing this stuff,
Ya lihat ini gitu.
and we know what he's thinking. He's trying to buy it, yeah. Baseball stadium, like it's old. But Mr. Oshiro said, good, it's good, yeah, it's good. And before Mr. Oshiro arrives, everyone's like, what the heck is this place?
Lucu banget ya. Even the number and
Yeah, like there's
Scoring number.
Yeah, scoring number. It is missing. Everything. I was like, what the heck? Mr. Oshiro started doing this. And Mr. Oshiro asked one of the employees, "Hey, what do you think?" "Oh, I think it's awesome."
Jadi nanya ke salah satu karyawannya, gimana menurut lo? Oh ini keren banget.
Mr.
Padahal
Oshiro
jelek.
said, "Oh, okay, yeah. But actually, Mr. Oshiro decided to build a baseball field in the university. Not purchasing that thing, but he decided to build.
Oh he didn't buy it.
He didn't buy it. Not yet. Yeah.
Karena dia mau bikin baseball court inside the
Sir, sorry, I'm